Welcome back, everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to recover a forgotten password on your Twitter account, or just how to recover a Twitter account in general. So the process is very easy. It doesn't matter what phone you have, whether you're on a computer or whatever. If you're on a computer, you want to make your way over to twitter.com. But if you're on a phone such as an iPhone or Android, you want to make your way over to the Twitter app. So once you come in there, you'll probably come into this page or the Twitter homepage on the web browser. You want to basically search for, there's going to be two buttons. There's going to be a create account button, but there's also going to be a login button. As you can see, the login button is on the bottom for here. So you want to go ahead and click login. Now you'll come into this little page. Again, if you're on the Twitter homepage, it's going to be a little different. But what you want to do once you're on the login page is look for this little option that says forgotten password. Now in this specific case, you can see that you have this little panel. So what you want to do is you want to go and click forgot password, and you're going to come into this little page. Now this is exactly where you want to be, and it's really the easiest thing to do from this point. You just need to make sure that you have the username and the email or phone number associated with that Twitter account. If you sign up only with the phone number, then obviously have that phone number. If you sign up with an email or phone number, then I would probably recommend using an email of some sort. So what you want to do here is pretty much just type in your specific name of the Twitter account that you have, and you would essentially click search. So in this case, I just put in Twitter's name. You want to use whatever, but you're going to have to enter the email address of the specific account. Now, like I mentioned before, if you have the phone number associated with it, then I think it's a little different process. But here, you're just going to have to go ahead and type in your specific email address. And from there, they're going to send you out an email. They're going to verify a couple other things. And then you'll be able to change the password of that Twitter account by using this specific method. So this is really the only way to do it. You have to go through Twitter's website or Twitter's app in order to fix it. But that's pretty much the process. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it'd mean so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.